Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering two matched glucose curves, one for the test food, one for the reference. First, subtract the baseline reading, that is your 0-minute value, from every subsequent point, so you plot only the incremental rise. Next, place time on the horizontal axis and incremental glucose on the vertical axis. Make sure both series use the same units and same 50 g available carbohydrate basis. Once done, you're ready to compute the area under each curve. Now you calculate the incremental area under each curve using the trapezoidal rule. For each adjacent time pair, average the two incremental glucose values, then multiply by the time gap in minutes. That gives one trapezoid area. Sum all trapezoid areas across 120 minutes, but include only positive increments above baseline. Drop any dips below 0. Make sure you apply the exact same time points and method to the reference curve. Consistency is essential for valid comparison. Finally, compute the glycemic index. Divide the test food incremental AUC by the reference food incremental AUC, then multiply by 100 to get a percentage. You'll report the GI as a whole number or one decimal. State the reference used. Make sure the reference AUC is positive and that both tests use the same carbohydrate load and units, otherwise your ratio is invalid. If results look off, smooth noisy points cautiously or repeat the measurements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.